But if you feel like you're not comfortable with that number, do something about it now. Just like what Mon is doing, she's doing her business. I am doing this for my retirement future. So meron additional income na marireceive as a passive income on top of my retirement money from TRS. Yes. That's why I push also to be assistant principal, because you will boost your salary from being a teacher to becoming an administrator. And TIA is a good platform as well to boost up your number. So the exemplary and master, that's about $15,000 to $20,000 to be added to your annual salary. So please push for that, because you are naturally an exemplary and a master teacher. Just do what you got to do, man. Receive that in.
Boy, that's very encouraging. Maybe next time I'm gonna put on my business now. I will push for it. What do you think?
I know, got me thinking, what should be my business? Got just to find the talent na lang for that. Okay.
Claire, you have yours. You just have yours.